Hey there! Today, we're diving into the features of the Adidas Excel 6 backpack in a sleek jersey gray, onyx gray, and rose gold design. This backpack is built to last with a lifetime warranty, ensuring it's your trusty companion for years to come. The LoadSpring shoulder straps are designed to ease the weight on your shoulders, making it perfect for long days on the go. With its wipe-able material, you can easily spot clean it with soap and water, keeping it looking fresh and new. It offers multiple zippered pockets, providing plenty of storage space for all your essentials. Inside, you'll find a secure sleeve that can store up to a 15-inch laptop, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. Plus, the two mesh side pockets are perfect for holding water bottles up to 32 ounces, keeping you hydrated throughout the day. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.